So we've come under the dishwasher, or under the sink here. So our dishwasher's flowing out, and then we have to eyeball here. We gotta determine what's causing the issue. So on ours, that air gap is the second one. It's let up. This comes from the dishwasher and it comes up to that air gap. And then there's a black hose right here that comes down to our disposal. And as you can see right here, you can see it's thicker here towards the bottom. And then there's this kink right here. It's squeezing the line. So usually what happens, you're gonna undo this one, and then at the bottom, you're gonna see if there's a clog in here. So you can run like a hanger or a brush, not a wire brush, but just a brush up there, just to try to clean all the way up to the main line there where the dishwasher comes into our air gap. So we could release this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this, and I'm just gonna have this run into a bucket to see if it stops that issue. So now that we've removed that hose, we do not have any water coming out of our air gap. Sometimes that'll just fill up with gunk and then clog up. So if you just put in a garbage disposal and you're having some issue with backflow up on top with water, what you do have to be aware of is there's a cap right there, and so water isn't gonna, it's pretty much blocking all the water from going down into your garbage disposal. So it's just gonna come out of the top of your sink. So we gotta push that plug out. You're gonna have to find a screwdriver that can get in there, and you're gonna have to miss your drain, so you may need a longer one. You're also gonna need a hammer. So I use this longer screwdriver because as you can see, it's coming past this drain here, and then I can use the back of the hammer, and you're just gonna tap that, keep spinning it around until you get it through. So I went to Lowe's, I picked up the hose, so it's inner diameter 7/8, outer diameter 1 1/4, and then I bought a screw clamp just because it's hard to get the pliers way up and in there. It actually at Lowe's says disposal hose. This was $7, this was $2.68. So now that we've removed that hose, we do not have any water coming.